Let's talk about something that most people don't say out loud. Every year, lakhs of students register for CAT. Coaching ads promise miracles, LinkedIn posts celebrate 99.99 percentilers, and suddenly it feels like CAT is the only respectable part left in life. But the real question is, should you even be giving CAT? Not can you, will you, but should you? This is not a demotivation video or trying to, punch down anyone, but this is maybe like a gentle reality check. Let me give you my story quickly. I cracked IPM at Indore in 2023. So aptitude exams were not new to me. I knew the grind, the mocks, the hustle, the post mocks analysis depression. I know it's terrible, right? Then came the CAT, the big, the big demon of all of them. I first attempted CAT in 2024, which I scored a very abysmal percentile. It was very bad. I mean, क्या ही बोलूँ वो. It was my first attempt. I continued it with like college, but ठीक है, क्या कर सकते. And then came the second attempt, which I gave almost 1.5 years of full serious preparation. Late nights, endless DILR sets, quants haunting me like that one relative who never forgets your past mistakes. And yes, I score around 94 percentile, to be specific 93.77. But somewhere in that journey, I realized something uncomfortable. Like, CAT wasn't necessarily wrong for me. I mean, I won't say it was a wrong exam for me, but it was not meant for a person like me. Like, cons was always a battle, but more than cons, the randomness scared me every time. That feeling, that one misunderstood line which could wipe out that 40 minutes, that one bad day which could nullify your whole 1.5 years of preparation, and that unpredictability starting eating me more than the whole syllabus, the whole lengthy syllabus of CAT. And as you know, the paper is getting tougher and tougher every year. The competition is not just commerce graduate passing casually. It's between the doctors, the engineers, the IITians, the medical students, and people with 3 to 4 years of prep. Even the droppers like me, and all of them sitting in the same hall. And yeah, all of them simply ace it. It's just cup of tea for them. They crack the exam with a good decent percentile. Not because they are superhuman, but their temperament fits this format. Because CAT is not just an intelligence test; it's a pressure test. It's a temperament filter. As Albert Einstein once said, you must have heard this quote: everybody is a genius, but if you judge a fish by its ability to climb a tree, it will live its whole life believing that it is stupid. And sometimes we force ourselves. Like, CAT might be the tree for most of the people, and you might be the fish who could absolutely dominate the whole ocean. And just not this particular tree, but maybe some other better trees. And as you know, that the paper is not getting easier, man. Like, let me say this clearly: CAT gets harder every single year. I am not sitting here and thinking कि भाई चलो इस बार थोड़ा जीवन दान दे दे भाई बच्चों को, चलो इस बार like paper थोड़ा easy set कर देते, to get more applicants. But it's not like that. They're actively making it more harder because the competition is getting sharper. Like even this year the trend was little declining, but you still have 3 lakh people attempting the paper. Like, you have the IITians, the students who are attempting JEE advanced paper, one of the toughest paper of India, at the age of 17. That's such a fragile age. And you have doctors who have cracked AIIMS and they are sitting for the first CAT attempt and just casually hitting 99 percentile. And also you have engineers from top engineering colleges, which they treat cons like just a warm-up exercise. Yeah, there's a part which nobody tells you apart from those prep group chats. Like, these people aren't grinding harder than you necessarily. They just fit the format in a better manner. Like the way CAT is designed, its unpredictability, its speed, its pressure, it naturally rewards the certain cognitive style. And if that's not your style, no amount of mocks or like test preps, coaching classes will change your this fundamental mismatch. And that's not an insult for the people who are watching this. That's data. You must like learn to accept it and analyze and read the data. So yeah, अभी तुम लोग सोच रहे हो कि ठीक है भाई तूने इतना ज्ञान दे दिया, but how do we crack the code? How do we escape the matrix? It's pretty simple. Give mocks, literally, like honest time, no phone, no excuse mocks, no just attempting 20 minutes and attempting the other 20 minutes later on. Nothing like that. Attempt a full 120 minutes mocks and start now if you haven't. By the time July rolls around, you should have a clear picture in your mind, because not a hopeful picture, you should have a proper clarity, not a delusional picture. And if your percentiles are consistently around 95 or even 90, it's touching the benchmark of it, then across all the varied papers, like not only a single class but like career launcher, IMS, or there are more better options like Rhoda, and you have the whole internet to search, and you genuinely enjoy the process, like the problem solving, the time pressure, the challenge, all these small aspects, then that is your arena. Stay, fight, and win it. But like if you are someone like me, like I used to get around 75-80 percentile in the mocks at the initial time, like even after months of preparation, and you dread opening that DLR set कि भाई देखकर त्रास ही आ रहा है भाई cons, you just hate looking at the cons even after you have invested enough time in it. Then I think it's not something which you would call laziness. That's your gut giving you expensive, very honest feedback. You should listen to it, learn to listen to it. The assessment window is not till August, not till October, but July itself. Don't delay more than that. Because after that, pivoting becomes really hard. Like it becomes very stressful and rushed. And before July, it's just a strategy shift. You can change your strategy accordingly. But after July, it feels like a failure, dude. मतलब यार तुम्हें ना बहुत बुरा लगेगा. You will regret it. I'm saying it from my experience. जब मेरा CAT का फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट था, मैंने सेम गलती की, बिकॉज आई डिडंट हैव लाइक एनीवन हु कुड लाइक टेल मी व्हाट टू डू एंड व्हाट नॉट. बट अभी तुम्हारे पास मैं हूँ भाई, 2 years, 2 attempts of experience. Make the move while it's still a smart decision and don't make it a desperate one. ठीक है भाई, तुम बोलोगे कि यार ठीक है भाई मैंने एनालाइज भी कर लिया, आई गॉट टू नो कि यार CAT मेरे लिए नहीं बना, इट्स नॉट माय कप ऑफ टी. Then what should I do? Then here's a simple roadmap for you कि यार बहुत सारे alternatives भी है CAT के अलावा, and this part is very important for you, so listen to it very carefully. कि CAT के अलावा भी दुनिया है यार, मतलब इसके अलावा भी बहुत सारे underrated options है, because लोग इनके बारे में कभी सोचते नहीं. They are stuck in that superficial mindset, and that's why you have the unfair advantage, you have the first mover advantage, because तुम्हारे पास बहुत सारे एग्जाम्स है. यू हैव NMAT, SNAP, MHCT, ZAT, CMAT and MyCAT, and these exams exist. They are legitimate, dude, and they open doors to some well-known, well-reputed colleges in India like NMIMS, JBIMS, XLRI, Symbiosis, and ये सब भाई बैकअप नहीं है यार. These are like real destinations. And here's a key thing कि why do you think like these you have better chances in getting into these colleges compared to the IIMs? Simple. The pool is smaller, while still being ruthless, brutal and real. But it's not the same monster, dude. Because CAT has close to 3 lakh students, and fighting against 3 lakh students for just a handful of IIM seats, it doesn't really make sense, right? And these exams have a fraction of that crowd. The exams which I talked about, because they have the same preparation strategy, they have same analysis strategy, and significantly they have better odds. एक पॉन्ड में एक बड़े से मछली हो तो तुम ओशन क्यों जाना चाहते हो? बिकॉज वो ओशन फेमस है, वो ओशन ट्रेंडी है, वो ओशन सबको करना है इसलिए तुम करें. And these exams are structurally very different from CAT. They are more predictable, more consistent in the patterns. CAT's randomness is something which has been killing you for a while. There's a very real chance that format just suits you better. And that alone can change everything for you. Now yes, clearing the exam, obviously it's not the first step. मतलब it's not a केक वॉक कि तुम ऐसे ही कोई भी कॉलेज में घुस जाओगे ऑब्वियसली, बट व्हाट कम्स आफ्टर दैट इट्स द जीडीज, द व्हाट्स, द इंटरव्यूज, द कन्वर्जन, द होल प्रोसेस. सॉरी, दैट्स अ होल डिफरेंट थिंग एंड we'll save that for another video obviously because ये वीडियो बहुत लंबा हो जाएगा, अभी बहुत लंबा हो गया. But the point is you first need to get into that table and these exams might be the door which actually opens for you. So yeah, here's what I want to leave you with. Warren Buffett once said that the most important investment you can make is in yourself. Right? Investing in yourself means investing wisely, not stubbornly. And there's a difference between perseverance and stubbornness. Perseverance is like continuing when the process is working. Stubbornness is continuing even when the data is telling to change and adapt to a different one. I spent years in that loop, dude. It was a nightmare for me. मैं अभी भी याद करता हूँ, trauma याद आ जाता है यार. But I don't regret that experience because I'm here right now. I'm giving you all the gyan which you need, and it taught me things which no classroom could teach me. Wish I had someone who would like sat me down and could have explained me, had given me all the gyan which I'm giving you guys. It's okay, that's okay. It's okay to look at yourself honestly. That choosing a different exam is not giving up. That knowing yourself, you have the competitive advantage you can have. That is a phenomenal exam. It genuinely tests sharpness, speed, tactics, but it is not the only exam. It is not meant for everyone. Give your mocks. Be honest with your data and assess it till July. Then make your move confidently and without guilt. क्योंकि at the end of the day MBA एक टूल है ना, और टूल चूज करना पड़ता है जो तुम्हारे हाथ में फिट हो, ना कि वो नहीं कि जो सबसे पॉपुलर लगे, है ना. Take care everyone and all the best for your other examinations if you are appearing for MHCT. And भाई जो भी CAT के लिए प्रिपेयर कर रहे तुम्हें तो भाई सलामी, because you are fighting a huge battle. तुम्हें बाद में चलेगा, एक साल बाद पता चलेगा. So yeah, take care and I'll see you the next one. Ace this shit.